Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of Primeprint Solution. In this video, we will demonstrate how to change the different filters which are built into the two devices and show how the collection container and drip tray can be removed and cleaned. The filters in the Primeprint and post-processing unit must be replaced or cleaned regularly. You will find an activated carbon filter in both the Primeprint and the post-processing unit. The activated carbon filter is changed by your service technician as part of the annual maintenance. Should there be a significantly increased odor nuisance from the activated charcoal filter, or the display prompts to change the filter, you can also perform the exchange yourself. An ozone filter is also installed in the post-processing unit. Here, too, you will receive a message on the device's display as soon as it needs to be replaced. While performing the above-mentioned activity, a mask, appropriate gloves, and eye protection must be worn. We will then start with replacing the activated carbon filter in the Primeprint. The Primeprint activated carbon filter is located on the rear of the device. The Primeprint should be turned off during the exchange. We remove the two knurled screws of the perforated plate and dispose of the filter according to country-specific regulations. Then we insert a new filter, making sure it is properly seated. Next, we fasten the perforated sheet with the knurled screws again. Now we come to the exchange of the carbon filter in the post-processing unit. Before you start to work on this, please make sure to disconnect the device from the power supply. We remove both washing containers since the filter is installed behind them. We turn both locks 90 degrees counterclockwise and pull out the filter with the small flaps which are attached to the left and right of the filter. Generally, the used filter can be disposed of with the regular household waste. Observing the direction of the arrow on the filter, we put the new filter back in place. First, we place the filter behind the metal sheet, then push it completely into place and turn the two locks by 90 degrees clockwise to fasten it. We proceed with the ozone filter, which is also a consumable part and should be exchanged after the display shows a message to this effect. The filter is located on the back below the device, and we also make sure the device is unplugged beforehand. We pull out the drawer containing the ozone filter, remove the used filter, and discard it. We insert the new filter with the foam margin facing up into the perforated metal sheet and push the drawer back inside until the stop. Next, we will look at cleaning the Primeprint collection container and the post-processing unit drip tray. The Primeprint collection container is located below the material unit and serves the purpose of collecting leaking resin, a situation that can occur in case of a damaged material unit. The container is designed so that the compatible vat contents of the material can be accommodated. As a rule, the vat cannot empty itself completely, but it is nevertheless possible that some resin ends up inside the container. In this case, do not use the resin anymore. Remove the collection container and clean it with a paper towel, followed by some isopropanol. Finally, we will look at the collection vat which is located under the post-processing unit. This vat has the same capacity as a cleaning container and is intended to catch isopropanol or print resin in case of a spill from one of the containers. This drip tray can be pulled out, as shown in the photo. For the cleaning procedure, please wear a mask as well as nitrile gloves and eye protection. Print resin residues can be removed with a wipe wetted with isopropanol. Isopropanol residues in the tray must be dropped into a container that is suitable for this purpose, which is then disposed of according to country-specific requirements. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with Primeprint Solution.